Hi there, taking a quick video of pretty cool ceramic wind chime bell. Now, you can read this different ways. I mean, easily it could read Mary or Maury, something with an M or R-Y. I'm just trying to be funny. So isn't that pretty? It's got like these little swirls. It looks handmade. Now, there is one disc and then a ball, all being held by the string. They both have natural indentions. It's not broken and it's not chipped. I think it's just the fold of the clay. But just want to show that. And then I'm going to hold it up. And there's ringing. It's really pretty when it spins, see? I mean, it's gotta really mean something to shake around and swing. So there it is, and it's for sale.